Transform your single laptop screen into a productive dual-display workstation with the KYY Portable Monitor 15.6-inch. This portable monitor 2025 offers a stunning Full HD display, making everything from spreadsheets to movies look sharp and vibrant. Its matte finish reduces glare, while slim bezels and a lightweight design make it incredibly portable. Connect seamlessly with USB-C or HDMI, enjoying built-in speakers and a headphone jack for versatile audio. Perfect for digital nomads, students, and travelers, this portable monitor boosts productivity on the go. Find links to purchase this amazing portable monitor in the description below and upgrade your workspace today. Its compact size and magnetic cover/stand make it easy to take anywhere. Don't miss out on the incredible deal currently available on Amazon for the KYY Portable Monitor. Get yours now. This portable monitor is a game changer for anyone looking to increase their productivity and enhance their viewing experience.